Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here with Josh. He's making my turbo lines. He brought his van here. Joshua. He looks so petrified looking at the camera. What's up? This is his van. All nice. Organized. It's all organized. Got all his machines here. There you go, sir. I swear, please. Thank you. So what are you doing today? What are you doing today? You forgot where it was now?
Yeah, we will go back.
No, are you serious?
Yeah. Before we left it on there, it must have come off.
Oh no.
It's alright, we'll figure it out.
Damn. What time is it, Josh? Is it too late for you now?
No, it's what, half 10?
You come out anytime I need you, right?
You fucking tired. You have a headache, that's what you fucking are,
Anytime I need you, he comes and helps out. He makes me the braided lines. So I can basically tomorrow my plan is to take my car to get my exhaust done, and I cannot start my car up to drive it off the car park and onto the trailer, so I need him to make the braided lines so I can start my car up. But it's taking a bit too long, Josh. We've been out here for like a couple of hours now.
Got me, yeah? I didn't come around and expect to pick a fucking man up.
So everything was last minute for him, running around hellish chicken, missing out his other jobs because he had to do my one, because I told him my shit is priority, because I've been asking you this for the last 3 weeks.
To be fair, I didn't really miss out on any other jobs, to be fair. It was a quiet day, so you're fucking lucky. Very lucky.
Oh, look at all these fancy machines. What does this do?
So it does this.
Oh, when you chopping. Ah. Oh, you can do it now. Oh, that's the machine. Well, what happens if I put my finger in there?
You won't have a fucking finger. I'll show you what it'll turn out like.
Well, what, you have to someone?
Nah.
Put my finger in there right now.
Nah, you'll be alright, bro.
Oh, so you use this lever to squeeze it. This looks like a very scientific machine.
Science.
So it's gonna be a banjo fitting. Oh, you're using my old one?
Yeah, the banjo belt, yeah.
Okay.
I'd rather keep it turbo.
Genuine stuff, yeah. It's come to the end finally.
Not quite, because I've got to be back here at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Freaking tired. There it is. The man that sorted my lines out.
It is now what? 12:15?
Shh, loud, you do it loud.
12:15.
Yep, the lines are done. Well, he needs to do the one more and he's come back tomorrow, but the water line's done. Feed, another feed there, water feed. The example water line, and he ruined my turbo. He's filthy hand bastard, ruined the turbo. I'll clean that out. But other than that,
I'll come off a break.
appreciate that, man. I appreciate for you being here late night. I'll probably end the video here, continue for tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow there. So peace out. Good night. We're back out here again. I'm with Josh, Jaden. This is the second day. He's basically doing the last bit of the grader line. He's doing the oil drainage one. That's the last bit, and then we're gonna put the car on the trailer and go into Kent. The man is here. Jaden's here. Welcome on, Jaden. Man is tired, fam. You better be getting a good rest. Man's not getting good rest. Too much sim. Yo, what's the verdict, Mr. Late Guy? He came late. All your time ain't looking bloody. Look at that. I'm supposed to leave here at 6 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Oh my.
8:57.
Late guy. I should get fat discount for you being lateness. What did he say? Fat discount. We're talking about at least 50%, innit?
You are one fucking joker, you know that?
50% discount straight.
I swear, I'm gonna.
Just leave it like that. basically waiting on him. I like to put the trailer down and we can start this car up and basically put on the trailer. So see you guys soon. Manual labor, this says. Look at this. No electric winch. And no electric winch.
What song is you singing?
I like the main guy, Master. Oh, look at it.
Okay, bye.
Basically, it was been a hell of a day. 6 hours working. 6 hours trying to basically start the car up, doesn't happen. Now basically we push the car on the trailer, we go to Kent and go from there. Big shout out to him. He's the main guy now. So the trailer and stuff like that. Big help for that. Appreciate it. I came here finally after like an hour and a half drive. Car's here to go to the workshop. Basically, this is when it's just gonna be getting fabricated, and hopefully I should get back next week. And the auto is completely good as well. And welcome back, guys. This is the second week. We going to pick up the car. Going to pick up the car now from Kent to bring it back home. It's been a couple of weeks and the guy has worked on it. His name is Josh. I'm gonna put down his link below. He done one hell of a job on my exhaust and downpipe, and I told him to do other things as well.
Hello, my name's Josh from AR Sports. As you can see, Munier's cars are already in here, ready to go. Let's get this thing sounding cool. I'm going to be doing the downpipe, screamer pipe and the boost pipes for this new Owen Developments turbo that he's got bolted on this baby. Let's get it. So we've got the screamer pipe teardrop there. Nice colourful welds. And then the flexi. And you can see up in there. You just about see all the pie cuts.
So, the time is 1 o'clock.
We just came here right now. Josh, my dad, Josh, and here with Jayden. We came to basically pick up the car today, and now we're gonna see what's left.
Purchase your beats today.
Finally made it. It's been quite one hell of a journey today. Showed them the time.
Bib.
Yeah, I'm just struck out. I'm in the car right now. I'll put it back where it was, and it's the end of the video. I'll probably show you guys tomorrow what Josh done with the fab work for my downpipe and the exhaust and the screamer pipe. So I'm gonna end the video here. I will see you guys next time. Peace out and see what? We're just tired.